Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DaVinci Resolve video editing and color my post-production experience. DaVinci Resolve is a professional-grade video editing and color grading software. It's aimed at filmmakers, video editors, colorists, and anyone looking for powerful post-production tools, from hobbyists to industry professionals. Key features include editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production, all within a single application. Their website provides detailed information about DaVinci Resolve, including different licensing options, from a free version to a studio version. It emphasizes its all-in-one nature, saving users from juggling multiple software packages. It's marketed as a high-end tool offering advanced features comparable to industry-standard software but with more accessible pricing options. The software utilizes a node-based color grading system, known for its flexibility and power. DaVinci Resolve is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DaVinci Resolve for my post-production workflow. Initially, the sheer number of features was a bit overwhelming. However, the free tutorials available on Blackmagic Design's website were incredibly helpful in getting started. I was able to grasp the basics of editing and color correction fairly quickly. Navigating the interface takes some getting used to, especially if you're coming from other editing software. I found the drag-and-drop functionality intuitive for importing and arranging clips on the timeline. The trimming tools are precise, and I appreciated the dynamic zoom feature for fine-tuning edits. I experimented with the color grading tools, and even with my limited experience, I was impressed by the level of control and the quality of the results. I particularly enjoyed using the keyframing tools for creating smooth transitions and animating effects. I even tried my hand at some basic fusion compositing and found it surprisingly accessible, thanks to the numerous online tutorials. Performance-wise, DaVinci Resolve handled my 4K footage smoothly on my system. Specs are in the description below, though I did notice occasional slowdowns when working with complex effects. I had a quick question about exporting settings, and I reached out to their support team via email. I received a helpful response within 24 hours, which was a positive experience. One minor drawback I found was the steep learning curve, especially for beginners. While the free version is incredibly generous, unlocking the full potential of DaVinci Resolve definitely takes time and effort. Also, the interface can feel a bit cluttered at times, with so many panels and options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DaVinci Resolve. While it has a few quirks and a learning curve, the power and flexibility it offers for post-production are truly impressive, especially considering the availability of a free version. It's become my go-to software for video editing and color grading. That's my overview of DaVinci Resolve video editing and color my post-production experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.